Hello everyone, I'm the Penbridge Coder, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the C# error CS0163. Okay, so if I try to run this program, I will get the following error message, that control cannot fall through from one case label to another. Okay, and the solution for this error greatly depends on what you want your program to do. Okay, because in 99% of the cases, you only have forgotten to put the break statements after each case, right? So if I were to do this in my program, you will see I can put break here, break, break, and break. So you can see all the error output from Visual Studio is gone. And if I run this program now, hit F5, you will see that my program has printed 3 and program complete. Okay? So in 99% of the cases, this is what you want your switch statement to do, right? You have some input, and depending on the input, you either want to do this, or that, or this, etc. Okay? But actually, if you look at my particular switch here, my comment says this switch is used to count down to 0. And you know, obviously, my program does not count down to 0 now. So it seems like in my case that I actually want this fall through behavior. Okay, so first of all, I will remove my break statements here, like this. Because if you're coming from programming in C or C++, it's perfectly fine to do it like this. So if you enter the integer 3 in your switch, it will just go to this label and then execute everything until you reached, okay, sorry, I will keep this one, until you reach this one, okay? But in C#, they decided, since 99% of the cases when you get fall through behavior, it's a bug, it's not intended behavior. So in C#, you have to explicitly say that you want fall through behavior. And the only way to do it in C# is to get kind of dirty, okay? You have to use goto statements. So I will just write this out now. So I can write after, if my integer is 3, I will go into this case label, right? And after I'm done with doing the statements in this label, I say go to case 2. And you can see now that the compiler is happy with my statement here because I have exited the label explicitly, okay? So if I do the same here, whoops, and here, you can see that Visual Studio is happy now, okay? And why I said that this is a dirty trick is because goto statements are kind of seen as bad code in C# development. But I'd say that in cases like this is one of the cases where it's actually fine to use the goto statement. But you could also use this statement to jump anywhere in your code, okay? So you could put a label here that says start, and I could, from this case label here, just go to start. Okay, so if my integer, like the case is now, is 3, I would just have an endless loop because I would jump up to my program all the time. Okay, so goto statements are dangerous, but in cases like this, if you are careful, they can be fine. Okay, because essentially, if you want fall through behavior in C#, this is what you have to do. Okay, so I will just remove this again, put my case 2 label here, and now if I run my program, you'll see that it counted down from 3 to 0 and program complete. I can try with another number, maybe 2. and you can see it countdowns from 2, 1, 0. Okay, so that's how you fix the C# error CS0163.